Alright, you guys already know it's giveaway time. July 31st, TerraFlex 2-inch coil plug spacer lift for the WJ. Just put your entries in. Link down in the description. All you gotta do is use an email and boom, you're in. There's a lot more ways to get more entries, so check it out. And like I said, this is for a WJ, but if you're a master fabricator like I said, or a DIYer or a modifier like your boy, you could probably get it to fit your application. Or shoot, give it away to somebody, sell it, get you some gas money, you know how we do it. I just want you to win. So go ahead and put that entry in, all right? There it is. There it is right there. That's the one. Get you some. What's up? It's your boy, Big Me's for She's, back out here in this thing, baby. Welcome to part 4 of the Jeep WJ Rebuild Chronicles. Today, or at least right now, a little short video. We're gonna slap in this here Murray's thermostat and this here Wix air filter. Man, I've been hitting these trails, and during the summertime, them trails get all dried out and following behind other Jeepers, man. It is dusty. So your engine and your air box is gonna accumulate a lot of dust, and so I figure it's a good time to go ahead and swap that out. Thermostat should be pretty easy. I think it's just 2 13mm bolts, and then get these hoses off. There might be some fluid in there, so we'll see what that is when we get in there. Got the little geese gasket, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me get these off and see where we at. Alright, let's pop this bad boy off and see what we're working with. Okay. Little old gasket on there. One thing I noticed, so like the Cherokees or the older ones have a ring right here that pops in. These don't. But that gasket is nasty. So we're gonna clean that up, scrape it off with a little razor blade. I got some cleaner that I'll show you that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna do the same on here. Peel all this garbage off and get this old gasket out of here. So yeah, let's get that cleaned off real quick. Just using a little Bleeze aid, you know what I mean? Just get all that old oh, Snapdragon. Make sure that's in there secure like. There we go. Alright, now. See, just scrape that right on up off of there. Make sure you go, with the grain of the metal so you're not, gouging the metal and stuff. Just some old geese gaskets. This right here, this is the bee's knees. I know there's other brake cleaners and all that kind of stuff. You got to be careful with this, but man, this is the business as a cleaner. Oof. Get all that gunk and juice off of there. Make sure you're wearing your gloves when you mess with this stuff, boy. Woo! Whew. Gotta put my thumb knuckles into this one. A little stubborn gasket, but it's been on there for a minute, so all good. He's coming. Yeah, I think that's gonna do him. Give him a little spree nets. Don't want to plug the hole up. Yes, it does. I want to plug it and make sure paper don't get in there. Yes, it does. Guess I put a little bit of something get in there. It ain't gonna hurt nothing, but yeah. This stuff dries very quickly too. See, it's already drying. Run for the money. Alright. Yeah, we Gucci. Gucci! Alright. Thermostat time. One thing is where this little hole, this little breather valve is, you want that up. You want that on the top. That's to let air pass through, and the air is going to be, I guess, more on the top than the bottom. So you want that side up. You know what I mean? And you want that seated in there perfectly without falling. Yeah. And then the geese gasket, it's got a little sticky back, but you can poke these little holes out. That's for the screw holes. And this little, yeah, pop that out, pop out the little pop outs. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna go ahead and stick that to the thermostat housing piece. So peel that off. Yeah, I mean, line that up on here proper like. So line that up ever so graciously and cautiously. Looking juicy. Yeah, that looks good. Get that on there. Always replace your gasket. Always clean that surface off. It just makes sure that you have a good solid, you know, seal. You know how this works. Torque specs, I don't know, but it probably doesn't need to be, you know, ridiculous on there, because you can see when I unscrewed it, it didn't take a bunch of force to get it on there, so that should be straight. Yeah. See, I'm not yanking him. All right, let's get these hoses back on there. Boom. Boom. And make sure you put these clips in the right spot, man. You want to make sure them things is on there, centered up. Now, there's a little mark from where I didn't do it. Last time they had it all angled and wonky. I'm making mine straight. You know what I mean? So, it'll be Gucci. But yeah, this one was lovely, so that one's gonna go right back on there. Boom. Don't forget your electricals. So this is what I like about the Jeep. This is the like the coolant temperature gauge thingamajigger. Sometimes this is on the radiator, but I don't like it on the radiator. I like it right here because it's so easy if you got to change that. So yeah, that completes the thermostat. All right, so we got the thermostat all buttoned up. Electricals back in there, hoses back on, belt back on. Make sure, you know, you put this back on correctly before you have some check engine lights or engine failure. I still have the fan shroud, so that's on there. Boom. So yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and open this joke up and see what lies in there. Woo! Alright, we gotta move this thing out the way, which is tucked real tough up in there. This is for my winch. Son of a winch. Come on, baby. Come out of there for daddy. Oh, shh. That lip. You always want to give me some lip, huh? Oh, come on. Give me that. Oh, there you go. There you go, baby. Hopefully rats and pterodactyls don't jump out at me. Oh, shh. Get off here, boy. Okay, okay. Wow. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Let's take a look at this here. You know, it's dusty. It's definitely dusty, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. But there's stuff in there. I don't know, would you guys change that? I mean, I already bought one, so yeah, I'm gonna change it. But if you were just checking this, let me see. Probably could just shake it out. Yeah, I'll probably run it some more. But we're giving TLC right now, so yeah, we're done. We're done with this one. See what the new one look like. This is a Wix one. Oh yeah, that one looks juicy. So these just slide in there. It ain't like there's an arrow to tell you where. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna go in there like that. So let me see how good I can do with you guys watching me. Yeah, that don't look too bad in there. Oh, we got one little baby moth or mosquito. Oh yeah, he's seen better days. Fly, pelican, fly. And for the most part, yeah, that's good. That's Gucci. We straight. Breathe again, breathe again. All right, get in there, boy. Sometimes you gotta push them down a little bit. I had one cat at the store the other day. He's like, it don't fit. I bet you he wasn't doing this, making sure it was seated correctly. But, you know, hey, it's all good. I know the guys at Oreilly's probably helping. So him straight. Get this piece back here off there. Alright. Let's get that back on there. He's on there. Come on, boy. Get out the way. Alright, there we go. Sit him down. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And voila, we're done for that video. We ended right here. Air filter, check. Thermostat, check. Now we're just waiting on that radiator, baby. And yeah, that'll be part Feesive. And man, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this was informative or somewhat entertaining, or just watching me do what I do, because sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. So if there's anything you guys seen in here that you would have done that I didn't do, or blah blah blah, let me know in the comments. Also let me know if this is a filter you would have used or would not have used going forward. Don't forget, we got the giveaway going on with the TerraFlex 2-inch coil puck spacer lift kit, and then I just have the puck spacers by themselves for a second place winner. So make sure you enter that. The link for that will be down in the description. I'll put a link in the description to the parts that I used, so if you want to cop those for yourself, you know what I mean. Other than that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell all your peoples we doing the dang thing. Again, appreciate you guys. Much love. And don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram and TikTok at FeelNominal. And other than that, y'all already know what to do. Be easy. Yeah. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. It didn't land on the sticky side. Whoop whoop. Ooh, that's some sticky stuff. All right. I mean, you might as well. All right. Ooh, be careful you don't nick up your other house. Got to control your house.